In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add salary in Zoho Books. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can quickly record a salary cost as an expense and see it reflected in your financial reports. This walkthrough is for creating a basic expense entry. It doesn't run payroll or calculate taxes. If you use a payroll service, you can still mirror the cost here so your profit and loss shows an accurate salary figure. Start by opening your browser and going to books.zoho.com. Once you're in your Zoho Books dashboard, we'll move to the area designed for spending and outflows. On the left sidebar, click Purchases. This section groups everything you pay for, bills, vendor charges, and, in our case, expenses that you want to record directly. Next, click Expenses. You'll land on a list of any expenses you've already entered. This page is where you can create a clean record for salary so it's tracked consistently over time and included in your reports. Now click New to create a fresh expense. This opens a form where you'll provide a few key details. Stay focused on the essentials so the entry is both accurate and easy to maintain later. First, select the date. Pick the date that best represents the salary payment. Many businesses use the actual pay date, while others choose the last day of the month if they're recording a monthly salary cost. Consistency is what matters most, so choose the approach you plan to use every time. Next, select the expense account and choose salaries and employee wages. This account routes the cost to your operating expenses and ensures it appears correctly on your profit and loss statement. If your chart of accounts uses a slightly different name, select the equivalent salary or wages expense account. Choosing the right account here keeps your reporting clean and prevents reclassification later. Now enter the amount. Use the total salary figure you intend to recognize for this entry. Double check the number, especially if you're recording a monthly total or a specific pay run, so it matches your internal records. Keeping a consistent basis, gross or net, depending on your accounting policy, will make your reports easier to reconcile. When everything looks good, click Save. Zoho Books will add the expense to your list, and you'll see it reflected under Expenses with the date, account, and amount you just entered. And that's all you need to create a straightforward salary expense entry. With these steps, you've recorded salary in Zoho Books in a clean, auditable way. Repeat the same flow each pay period, keep your dates and account selection consistent, and your financial statements will stay accurate and easy to review.